What a day it's been. We're tracking storms now, but look at the sun setting in the skies of Grand Forks, North Dakota a little earlier today. Some thick smoke in the upper levels of the atmosphere. A few of us seeing showers, but not nearly as widespread as we could have had, or I hope we would have seen more rain from this system as we watch down to the southwest of the Dakota Magic Casino for lightning and thunder heading in that general direction. You can see that on the radar here. Southeast North Dakota, northeast South Dakota, a severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Cooler air heading our way with a cold front that's making its way in through the region. Watch canceled for parts of western Minnesota as those storms now trucking off towards Duluth. So let's take a look at the very latest. Here's what you need to know. We have spotty showers, Grand Forks and points south, not amounting to much more than a trace or a few hundredths of an inch. Sidewalk soakers at best moving into Mayville. Now in Barnes County, it gets a little heavier. And once we get into southeast North Dakota, a new report just in 68-mile-per-hour gusts near the Wishick area. So these are some very windy storms working their way eastward into southeast North Dakota. Here is a closer look. A lot of thunder, a lot of lightning with these cells as they're working off to the east at about 35 to 40 miles per hour. Just to the south and east of the Lidgerwood area and Hankinson, we're seeing another thunderstorm. That one's diving just a little bit farther south. And these are moving east-southeast as well. So not all of us are going to get the beneficial rain, but prepare for gusty winds. See this backward C shape? We talked about this throughout the night. Now we do have a little bit of hail in this, upwards of nickel size, 3/4 of an inch, just a little bit bigger, pushing into western reaches of Dickey County right now, and Lemoore County starting to see thunderstorm activity. Farther north up toward Valley City, moving out of southern and eastern parts of Stutsman County, not far from Ypsilanti, we're seeing these storms making their way off to the east. Those are non-severe. These are the strong ones with the winds. Cullum, they'll be near you by 10:31 as we track them into Edgeley. By around 10:50, they'll be there as they ship off to the east. So some beneficial rain. It's much needed, as we've been talking about for a long time. But I'll tell you what, it's going to come with some gusts of wind. So batten down the hatches if you live along the South Dakota border, and we'll track those storms and forecast here for you in just a moment. It's been a muggy day. Our dew points are in the 70s. That means there's a lot of moisture in the air, and it's still in the 80s, mid-80s at Moorhead's Airport out there right now. And that makes those heat index values, well, today they topped 100 degrees. Big change coming, though, in that cold front as it makes its way east, setting things into motion now. Pausing at midnight, southeast North Dakota, including Fargo, have a chance at showers up north of that line, up north of the interstate. Just sprinkles at best. Moving it along now, those storms will continue to truck their way through into Lakes Country, but they'll be gone by about 2 in the morning the way things are looking now. Tomorrow, big change. Cooler start in the 60s and less humid. Clear skies, quiet conditions, but the wind picks up from the north, and that means a chance at some smoke. Now, it won't be anywhere near as thick as it was earlier in the week, but keep that in mind with your outdoor plans throughout the Southern Valley, as temperatures will also be cooler tomorrow on a breezy day. Northwest winds gusting over 30 miles per hour at times. Temperatures still peaking near 90 for many down south. Keep that in mind as we enjoy a glorious photo shared by Kim here. Beautiful. Gary, Minnesota, with the sunflowers. Now your planning forecast. 100% chance of blue angels this weekend. The weather not too bad. Just remember, it could get a little smoky, and you got to stay hydrated and cool with temperatures of 93 on Sunday. The peak of the heat wave Monday into Tuesday, 95 to 100 degrees. Some storms in the Southern Valley will be possible Monday. How about this, Mike Morkin, as we head towards the latter portion of next week? We really see things cool off.
Plug your car in.
Yeah. Get the parka.
All right, thanks.